Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we'll be going over the mobile application MechanicDesk Mobile and some of its basic functions. Once you have logged into MechanicDesk, you will be brought to the jobs page showing all open jobs similar to the browser software. The first thing you may notice is the option to call or text customers for each respective job by tapping on the phone or message icons for these jobs. The cost of these phone calls or texts are put on the mechanic's mobile bill rather than being billed to the card used for the subscription to MechanicDesk. If you open a job, in that job card you can clock on, clock off, put a job on hold, or finish a job. You can also add notes and add items to the check sheet via the plus icons here. There's also an option to have the customer sign in at the bottom here. At the bottom of the job card, there are 5 sections. Info will show you details about that specific job. Photos will allow you to choose an image from the device or take a photo to add to the job card. Invoice will allow you to create an invoice for that job card, and the timesheet shows the mechanic's total hours worked. At the top left of the screen is the drawer menu, where you can see customer details, stocks, as well as open and all jobs. So if you need to quickly look up information of a customer, vehicle or stock, such as pricing, you can look them up here. There's much more to the mobile app and we continue to add more features to it. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.